Greetings, one April. This have the adventure in the existence of Lawnmower. What trials will he face this time? Will he overcome them? Will he conquer his enemies? Stay tuned.
You all clear?
I'm as transparent as a window.
Good, let's go.
Oh boy, levitation!
No, not that way.
Pigs! How come our scene is so short?
I have no fucking clue.
Where am I going? Holy shit! I'm putting an accident. He was shit.
Damn it, Red, why do you keep dropping these fucking things? Asshole.
Didn't you go up? That I did. That's why I came up from the ground. You must relearn to read correctly, Mr. Periwinkle.
Knock that shit off, Dizzy.
Holy shit, madness of the medicine kind. If I could leave, stay no longer the other areas. Get out of the most holy shit. I must read the thesaurus.
Now where is the asshole going?
Maybe we should follow?
Yeah, no, I stand my ground. Plus, he's fucking annoying, so let him fuck off if he so wants. Holy shit, get the gun.
We don't have guns.
Then get your hands red.
Okay, but please don't shoot me again. What do you mean again? See, you aren't the only one who can be a smartass. You know, it beats being a dumbass. Yeah, but you suck at it. Oh, shut the fuck up, asshole.
I just go find the source of the noise.
Yes, your majesty. If we actually filmed it, then used random footage, would you have bowed? Well, this sucks. Oh, I'm dead, untimely death. Death for you.
Sure. Kill the oddball.
Oh well. Let's go get he with one testicle. Who's gonna die, bish?
Why are my allies so stupid?
How do you get over there? Damn, asshole's gone again.
Let's go get him.
Aye, aye, Captain.
Oh, fuck off. Why are you tripping?
Oh, fuck off.
Just go. Looks like my good pal is in trouble. I better help him.
Wow, who knew ankles could be so tasty? I must try one. Holy shit, what noise be that? That sucked. Better pick myself up and try again later. That voice was familiar.
Yes, it sounded like a colleague from our days of yore.
My what?
Huh?
What?
Where?
What's that mean?
What's what mean?
What is that? Wait, what? Holy crap.
Me get fucking dizzy.
Just fucking find the deathly creature that eluded us.
Let's go kick some ass.
Yes, ma'am.
I wonder who he means. Holy shit. I'll just skip that destiny fiend once and for all this shit.
All of my friends are dead. Holy shit. Who the fuck is that? Dude, I'm not a ghost. Now shut up. But wind doesn't run. It died. Wait, did I seriously win just by being frightening? Ha ha ha! Hooray! I are 10 winners! Woohoo! I wonder where that dastardly lawnmower went. Is he sentient or something? How curious.
Did someone need a dummy deaded? What's that? I hear a small motoring. Shit, it's coming to get me. Yeah, fucking hell, the fucking Nosaj, holy shit. Blah, 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 bling. Wow, I withered wings into a 3.
Wow, what a moron! You should look where you're going, Mr. Dumb.
You should stop being so creepy, Mr. Creep.
Whatever, dumbass, just fuck off and leave the leaf forest. There are some strange creatures afoot.
Yes, like you. I studied the asymmetrical rituals of the Nosages to know I'm a much better Octar.
The fuck's an Octar? You stupid fuckface, it says it right there. You're a fucking moron if you think that's clever. Yeah,
You think you're so fucking clever if you're like a brain. Yeah, I'm awesome and you suck like a vacuum. Fucking asshole. Okay, countless asshole every fucking day.
Holy shit, what's that?
I'm leaving.
Return.
I heard that, asshole.
No, really? I'm only fucking standing right in front of you, retard.
Son of a bitch, you make me so mad. Okachori. Fuckface.
Oh, quit talking to yourself. Fine, asshole,
Okay,
think you're
dipshit,
clever,
I'm your
I
ass
guess.
and
You
think you
suck
are
at
too.
everything.
I'm the best at everything, asshole, you fucking piece of shit.
Dumbass.
No shit. Why am I in pain? This is stupid, idiot. Bah!
Yeah, fuck. It's the evil lawnmower again. It's gonna eat me. I found green. Red? I thought you died. No. I took an extended leave of absence. You were gone for 5 pages. Yeah! A long time if you ask me. Well, shit. Hear the blood-curdling scream. If you have to scream, scream. Don't talk. Wow, it looks mad. Letters! I'm dead.
Holy shit, where the fuck is that? I'm not a big fat meanie. Where'd he go? He's gone, that pisses me off. Holy shit, what's that? You die, asshole. Ed Dana Earth Hook-Tack. I win, dipshit. Ha ha ha. Well, shit. What's that evil thing there? Is it a lawnmower? A lawnmower. It can be. What'd you say? Holy shit, you're so fucking talented, asshole. Ukachori. Fling? Fling what? Fling what fucking thing? That's really. This wasn't in the travel brochure. Can someone spell check that, please? Actually, no one would die like this because my enemy is kind of dim, unlike me because I'm a genius and I don't advise because I'm too smart and talented.
Looks like you've already defeated the bad guys. I wonder what we'll do next. Really? We should go find treasure. What's the idea? Let's go. It's already dead. And this shark isn't that chock full of baddies like the last one. Seems to be shark though. So easy to have a lawnmower. Where'd he go?
I killed your stupid friend. Ha 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 ha. Holy shit!
You're so fucking dead.
You can't defeat me, knave. You are to be slaughtered inhumanely, turned into a... I need a fart. So if anything that comes to mind because I have writer's block and can't think of anything clever.
I'm seeing things. I can see Lawnmower players being raised for the lead. You're still alive. The snap is alive. You're sorry. You're still alive.
Boink.
Tell your friend to fuck off.
Fuck off yourself, asshole.
Your fucking friend is gonna do me like he did the connection to the comments. And when you're up here with me, what is shit? Oh no. Fucking hell. Oh. It didn't explode. Oh.
Nice game. We're gonna spin it.
My fairest of friends, I haven't used first aid gain. I am just a humble lawnmower. I needn't to spend money. I just defend the land from evils. Until next time, my masked friend, may fortune favor you in your travels. Oh look, it has. Ciao.
Strange person.
That you fucking shit. Bah! Blink.